Hi everyone, this tutorial I'm going to show you how to interact with Google Gemini AI using HTTP properties dialog. For those people who done a lot of web development, most of you most likely used Postmaster for interaction with websites or Bruno for the same. We believe that our job is to make life of our users easier, and they should be to do everything use just one tool, advanced ETL processor. First thing we need to do, we need to get API key from Google and put it as a global variable. I have already done so. Just click Maintain tab, Options. Here is the key. Let's open properties dialog. Again, here we have the key. This is the URL. We can use different methods, but we'll be using post in our keys. And this is the model. Flash. Well, you can get all this information from Google. And we also using body type JSON. And if we go to body, here's our question. So what we want to do to run something more simple. It's very tolerant to spelling mistakes. Spain, and again, Spain. Excellent. So let's run it. Just press the green arrow. Here's the answer. It took less than 1 second, and here it is. A very important thing, this is JSON string, so we are using some special characters. We need to properly escape them. We have a separate action for it, this one, string to JSON. For example, let me show you an example. So it failed. So what we can do, we can use single quote instead, and it runs. Should run. Okay. See, the problem we have is that the answers are inconsistent. So when we ask it the first question about capitals of Spain, it was just one word. Now we have an entire sentence, but we just need a name, so we can correct it. Again, there is no guarantee that it will be always one word. It might return something else. As you can see, this dialog is a very good alternative, and I hope you will find it very helpful. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.